Hi everyone, and welcome back to Fix Your Credit Fast Now, where we help you rebuild, repair, and rise toward financial freedom. Today, we're answering one of the most common questions people ask. How long does it take to rebuild credit? If your credit score has taken a hit, maybe from late payments, high balances, or collections, you're not alone. The good news is, your score can recover faster than you think, but it depends on what caused the damage and what steps you take next. Let's break it down clearly. First, let's be honest. Rebuilding credit isn't instant. There's no magic trick or overnight fix, but steady progress starts as soon as you make the right moves. Here's a general timeline based on your situation. Minor issues, like one late payment, can show improvement in 1 to 3 months. Moderate credit damage, such as collections or high utilization, typically requires 3 to 9 months for significant progress. For severe credit damage, like defaults or bankruptcy, you'll need 12 to 24 months of consistent effort to rebuild strong credit. But remember, every month you manage your credit wisely, your score recalculates and adjusts upward. Let's look at the 5 key factors that determine how quickly your credit improves. Payment history, accounting for 35%, emphasizes paying on time every time. Even one late payment can drop your score fast, but consistent on-time payments rebuild trust with lenders. Credit utilization, 30% of your score, means keeping your balances low. Try to use less than 30% of your available credit, ideally under 10%, as paying down high balances can raise your score within a single billing cycle. Credit age, 15%, benefits from keeping older accounts open. The longer your credit history, the better. Don't close old cards just because you don't use them often. New credit, 10%, advises against applying for too many new accounts at once. Each application causes a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Credit mix, also 10%, suggests having a combination of credit cards and loans. This helps show lenders you can handle different types of credit responsibly. These 5 categories together create your FICO score, which over 90% of U.S. lenders use. Think of credit rebuilding as 3 clear phases. Phase 1, stabilize, spanning months 1 to 3, focuses on stopping the bleeding. Pay bills on time, stop new inquiries, and reduce card balances. Phase 2, rebuild, from months 3 to 9, involves adding positive data. Use a secured card, become an authorized user on someone's good account, or take a small credit builder loan. Phase 3, strengthen, from months 9 to 18, means keeping every account in good standing and maintaining low utilization. By this stage, most people see significant improvement, often 80 to 150 points higher than where they started. Here's what slows your progress the most: missing even one payment during the rebuild period. Also, closing old credit cards that help your average credit age, and applying for multiple new loans in a short time. Ignoring credit monitoring is another pitfall, as mistakes can reappear without notice. You can check your reports regularly through annualcreditreport.com and track score changes through services like Experian or Credit Karma. Most people see visible improvement within 90 days, noticeable results within 6 months, and major change within a year. The key is consistency, not speed. Think of your credit score like fitness. You can't transform overnight, but steady habits reshape your financial health. Every on-time payment is a rep. Every low balance is progress. Every month of discipline brings you closer to your goal. So, how long does it take to rebuild credit? The truth is, it takes as long as it takes to rebuild trust. The system rewards consistency, and that means you're in control. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Fix Your Credit Fast Now for weekly videos on how to raise your score, dispute errors, and take charge of your financial future. Your credit isn't just a number, it's your story. Start writing a better one today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.